Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the U8 Bluetooth Sports Earbuds. So today what we're going to do in this video, I'm going to go over the different ways you can wear the earbuds. This way you get a general idea of how it's going to look in your ears and on your head. And then we're going to go through two tests. We're going to do a sound leakage test, and then I'm going to try and give y'all a sound sample to the best of my abilities. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So let me tilt the camera up a little bit here, and let's go. Starting off, I want to give y'all a real quick demo. So there's two different ways you can actually wear the earbuds, okay? With the cable tie connected, you can wear it with the excess cable going under your chin. So all you have to do is put it in your ear like so. Hook the wing through your earlobe. Get a nice snug fit. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And that's how it's going to look on one ear. Like that. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So put it in. Hook it through your earlobe. Get that nice snug fit. And this is how it's going to look on the other side. Just like that. So this is way number one with the access cable under your chin, as you can see there. And as you can see, I still have full range of motion and it's not obstructing anything. So generally, this is how I wear the earbuds when I'm laying in bed or just consuming media. And you know, I want to be discreet and not have everybody around me hear what I'm listening to. Then I would pop in these buds, wear it like this, and I can, you know, suck myself into whatever I'm doing and not have to worry. Now, when I go out and I'm doing exercises or I'm going for walks, then I tend to wear the earbuds the other way with the excess cable behind my neck. So you can see I just flip it back here and then we reinsert. So put it in, hook it through the ears, put this other one in, and hook it through the ears. Make sure you get a nice snug fit, nice tight seal, and there you go. You can see the excess cable now, if I angle the camera down, is going right behind my neck on both sides. And once again, I have full range of motion, so I can use these for exercising or anything that I would like, and I don't have to worry about snagging the cables on anything or anything like that. So those are the two different ways that you can wear the earbuds depending on what you want to do for different activities. Now, I've already preloaded some copyright-free music, so let's get into the leakage test and the sound sample. And I've already set it up to 100% volume, as you can see there. And I've physically maxed out the earbuds themselves to 100% volume. So I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to push play, and I want y'all to let me know if you hear any leakage coming off of the earbuds. Alright, here we go. Okay, they real loud. I can't even hear myself talk when they up this loud. Very crisp. Very clear. Okay. We got a little bit of bass here. It's a little soft, but it's there. Alright. Alright, let me hold it up to the mic and give y'all a sound sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. Here we go. Hold it up right here. Do this for about 10 more seconds. Alright, that should do it. Okay, guys and gals, so this has been my fit and sound demo again of the U8 Bluetooth Sports Earbuds. Okay, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or found it helpful. If you did enjoy this fit and sound demo here today, or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. This whole video here today was recorded using the front and rear facing cameras on the S7 Active in dual capture mode. And all of the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Boya BY01 shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And you guys and gals stay tuned because the full review for these earbuds is coming real soon. Hope everyone has a good one, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody.
Perfect.